Welcome to our Labubu outfit series. This is Daria, and today we'll be learning how to crochet a little flower. Let's get started. Here you can see all the materials and tools we'll need for today's tutorial. So first of all, we will need a little amount of white yarn, and I'm gonna use 4 or medium weight yarn. Then I will work with 4mm crochet hook, and we will need scissors, tapestry needle, and a little safety pin. Take the white yarn, and the first thing that we need to do is a magic circle. So put the yarn on the table with short end going to the left and working yarn going to the right. And then you need to create a loop like this. And then you will grab this intersection with your thumb and middle finger. Put the working yarn over your index finger, and these 2 fingers will hold and control the tension. So they hold the working yarn and they control this tension. So then you take your hook and insert it right into the circle. Catch the yarn from top and bring it to the front. Then I like to pull the whole circle down and move my thumb and middle finger right under the loop. And I need to make 4 chains after that. Yarn over, pull through. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is my first petal. In total, I will do 5 petals. And in order to finish my petal, I need to insert my hook into the circle. And you see, I'm doing it right under both of these strands. And I will do a slip stitch, yarn over, pull under the circle and through the loop on the hook and tighten that. So this is my first petal completed. Repeat it 4 more times. So do 4 chains. And slip stitch into the circle. When you have 5 petals, then you may take this short tail and pull it to close the hole. Like that. And now we need to grab our scissors, break the yarn, and insert this remaining tail through the loop and tighten that. So this is our flower. Now we need to grab the tapestry needle, thread the yarn ends through the tapestry needle, and weave in yarn ends into the fabric. So find any loop that is close to your yarn and insert your needle under that loop and pull through. Repeat it several more times. And cut the excess yarn. Do the same thing with the other tail. Okay, this is our little flower. You may take a safety pin, and with the help of safety pin, you may attach it to whatever you want to attach it to. So now it's ready. This is our final result. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Animal Crochet Academy so you don't miss any of our new tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, you might like our other crochet projects as well. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.